the little canaries. Truckers. The truck buzzed and they got scared. But there were many canaries on that rock. That's cool, huh? I love canaries so much. You know, from all the canaries, you can check on YouTube or Google. From all the canaries, the Brazilian canary is the one which sings the most beautifully. Check it out on YouTube, Brazilian canary. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you next time. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. Thank you so much. Bye.